Welcome to Controls Explorer. This video we will show you how to create an online trend using Rockwell RSLogix 5000 software. Currently, we are online with a compact Logix processor. Now, whether you have a compact or a control Logix, it's the same process. So let's begin here. First, make sure that you are online with the processor. Next, go to the trend, select right click, and obviously select new trend. It's definitely important for you by this time to identify the tag or the variable you are going to display in the trend. The trend window is now launched, so give a name. Once you give a name, next move on to selecting the tag. That is the variable you are going to display. For this example, HMI timer elapsed time, so select the tag, find it out, select and add it. Once you select the tag, that is the variable for the trend, you are pretty much done for now. Next, we are going to find out how do you select the color of the pane, how do you assign the x-axis, that is the time range, and how do you specify the range for the y-axis, whether automatic or manual, as per your tag range. So select this window, right-click Properties. Over here, the panes, you select your color, x-axis, select your time range, 30 seconds over here for example, and y-axis, you have a choice of automatic or custom. I personally prefer to use customs because I know what my tag range is supposed to be. So for example, this one we have 0 to 30. That is the tag range. Next, all launch, save it, and run the trend. Now the trend is pretty much launched and running, but we are not quite happy with the blue pen color, so let's change the pen color to something else. Next, we will stop the trend. Again, select it, right click, chart properties, go to paints, and select your color. Say for example, yellow for this with the black background. Apply, hit OK, and again run the trend. So now the pen color changed to yellow from earlier blue one. Next, we are going to change the range for y-axis. The objective is making it very close to the actual tag range. So let's look at the program. This is where HMI timer elapsed time in second. Look at the range here, how far it goes, and come back to the trend. So stop the trend again, select the trend, right click chart properties, go to y-axis and change the range to 10, 0 to 10. That's what we had seen, the tag range. Let's run it again. So you have the whole window now. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any question, please do not hesitate to contact us. Our email ID techsupport@controls-explorer.com, and we would be more than happy to work with you. Thanks again. Bye now.